channel. Welcome back to BYBIT Tutorials. Today I will be showing you and we'll be talking about the new coin launch on any exchange. Okay, one thing you must know about a new coin launch in any exchange, okay, be it on Binance, be it on BYBIT, and any other places. Okay, so one thing you must always check about, one thing you must always know is that once a new coin is launched, it will take a very high speed up. It will take a very high speed up, and once it's taking a very high speed up, the moment you come across it, you may be thinking that okay, this coin is going very high. You may be thinking that this coin is going very high, okay, and you jump into the market. You see, this one was launched at 0.1. It take a high speed to 0.7, and now it's back in 0.19. You see, if you jump into that, you quickly lost your money. So these are the things you must know about a new coin. If you have already come across a new coin and it's still pumping, don't join the market. Okay, don't join the market at all, because if you join the market, it will result to a very huge loss. Okay, don't join the market. Watch it until when the market stabilize, like now, the way it is now. You can join the market because it's taking a neutral movement now, and after this neutral movement, it's going to go high again. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Subscribe and share my videos. Bye.